What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Eric here. It's been a minute since I've actually made any videos. I was trying to get a new logo designed, which if you clicked on this, you'll see the new logo. I'm really impressed with it. I really like it a lot. I got it done on Fiverr. I don't know if you guys use Fiverr. They're not sponsoring this video or anything like that, but I really enjoy their services, and the logo that the person I went with came up with, I think it's fantastic. It's really cool. And I thought, you know what goes with a good logo? It's a nice intro. So check this out. That intro was pretty cool, right? You gotta admit, that was pretty cool. So that's what's going new with this channel. We got a new logo, got a new intro. You guys, we try and make this as professional as possible. And with improving quality and things like that, I went ahead and for my birthday, which was last week, I got a big old Amazon gift card, and I wanted to purchase some cool things, and so I got a couple really cool tech objects under $50 in that range. One I got actually came in already, and it's I believe it's called the Tenmiro. I don't know how to pronounce it. Tenmiro LED RGB strips. We're gonna put these up today and see how they look. I got these LED strips. I think they were like 30 bucks on Amazon. I'll have the link down below. So that way, if you guys want to check it out, you can get them. They have really good reviews on it. And for the price, it was really good. So I think it's 65.6 feet long. So what I'm going to do is I want to put it on this wall right here. I think there's a little outline. I'm going to try to put as much as I can on that. And we might get rid of this lamp or move it to the other side of the room. But I'm thinking that this wall is going to be the best place for it. So I'm going to go ahead and get it all set up and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's do like a basic unboxing really quick so we can see what's inside of it. One-handed unboxing. You got your remote. Look at all these different color schemes and things. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, there's a lot. That's cool. So it comes with the power supply. So it plugs right into the wall. This is this is the receiver for the remote. And then this is the power box that connects to the LED strips. And it comes with 4 different LED wheels. And then you got your wall mountings and things like that. So it's real simple. All you got to do is you wipe the wall down wherever you want to do it. You clean it up a little bit, let it dry. Peel off the back. There's a little back thing. Peel that off. Paste it right up there. Plug and play. Super simple. Alright, that took a little bit longer than initially anticipated, I guess. But they're up now, and they're cool. And I actually only used 2 of the strips, so the strips are so long. It's 66 total feet, and I thought I would use all 4 of them. I only used 2, and I made it all the way around the wall. So let's just take a look at it right now and see what it looks like. So guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Just a real quick one, kind of give you guys an update on like what the aesthetics of my room look like. You know, going for that RGB feel. I like it. It pops a lot. I'll leave the link down below for this product on Amazon. It's only like 30 bucks, and you get way more lights than you need, unless your room's huge and unless you really want to do like a cool pattern or anything like that. So, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking it out, guys. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe. See you in the next one.